This video is sponsored by Wondershare Filmora.
Hi, this is Julie Shaffer for CreativePro. And today we're going to look at custom baseline grids. Now on the document, I have 3 text frames. The left text frame is a 2-column narrative. The right frame is a call-out quote. And the bottom frame is also another call-out quote. And all of these are using just 3 different paragraph styles, with header 1 and header 2 both based on the body style. Now, as I zoom in and look at my content, I can see that this just isn't lining up very well. So I really want my text to line nicely along the baseline grid. And to get to the baseline grid, go to the top menu, View, Grids and Guides, Show Baseline Grid. And that turns on the default 12-point baseline grid. And now you can really see how it's not aligning. But one way to use a baseline grid is to align your text to every line based on the leading of your narrative style. Now, lucky for me, my narrative style, my body style, is 10-point with a 12-point leading, perfectly with this 12-point default baseline grid. So the first thing I need to do is align my text to that baseline grid. I'm going to right-click to edit the body style, navigate to indents and spacing, and where it says Align to Grid, I'll choose All Lines. And notice how nicely that aligned to the grid. However, the right frame and the bottom frame way too tight on that baseline grid. I want that to be a lot more spread out. Now, unfortunately, you can only have one baseline grid in a document, but that doesn't mean you can't have custom grids within individual text frames. So I'm going to select this right column frame, right-click, choose Text Frame Options, and on the left where it says Baseline Options, I can turn on Use Custom Baseline Grid. Now, by default, it's defaulting to that 12-point increment, so I'm going to change this one to 18 and change the color to orange because I can. And now, check out how it is also aligning to a baseline grid, but it's neatly aligning every 3 lines of content to every 4 of my narrative. I can do the same or similar thing for this bottom frame. Go to Text Frame Options, which is Command or Control B, Baseline Options, and maybe for this bottom baseline grid, I want it to be more like 24-point. And I want the color to be something maybe like green so we can see it. And now by just creating custom baseline grids, when I take a look at my document and zoom out and preview, that is a much cleaner looking file. And that's how you create custom baseline grids.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.